Hello everybody, my name is Anushri and this is my first YouTube video. Now, you must be wondering, why am I sitting on the floor instead of sitting on the sofa, and why do I have a fan in my hand? Number one, I do not have a professional setup. This is my first YouTube video and I'm not stupid enough to invest in something before I can confidently say that it will produce some good result. But this is a good lighting and I believe it's quite a comfortable position for me. So again, इसके लिए भी confidence लगता है. And I'm going to be speaking about, without wasting any more time, how I went from being self-conscious to being self-confident. Okay, so the first thing I want to speak about is I'm talking from an experience where I had no friends. Matlab, ever since I was in school, I did not really have a lot of friends. I was the quiet person, I was the quiet kid. I was the person who, quite frankly, for a very long period of my life, nobody sat next to in class. So I came from an experience जो कि काफ़ी familiar हो सकता है for many people. And as somebody who is sort of grown into my own skin and I'm able to accept myself more, I wouldn't say कि मैं पूरी knowledgeable इंसान हो चुकी हूँ, but I believe that I've done quite good for myself and I compare myself to the way that I used to be. So I think that I could be giving some kind of valuable advice to people who, here are some tips that have helped me and that I believe will definitely help you if you wish to improve your confidence and perhaps become a good public speaker or do anything which requires you to get out of your comfort zone. First thing, cliche advice, but take a chance and put yourself out there. Now, I believe that it is much easier to do this step with people that you don't know instead of people that you do know. Because at the end of the day, when you do know people, there is already an image that they have made out of you in their head, and you know that, and it's much harder to talk to people that you do know than it is to talk to people that you don't know. So I believe that if you want to effectively communicate with others, and trust me, I've struggled with it, everybody struggles with it, some maybe more than others, but I believe the easiest way would be whenever you're entering a conversation to enter with a sense of purpose, with an intent on what you want to convey, what you want to speak on, what you want to talk about, what you wish to communicate with your words and express. So I believe this is very good if you talk about networking or something. I have definitely improved because I used to be the kind of person who would literally stutter when I was asked. Like, agar jaise class mein someone would ask me something, I would stutter. I was the kind of girl who would do that. And of course, putting yourselves out there is difficult in itself. So I think this is the tip, take a chance. Cliche hai, but it will definitely help. Tying into the same trick, this is the second tip that I would like to give. Go to different places that you have not already met the people at. So for example, if you always hang around with that one group, then it is not really going to benefit you in the long run because आप एक ही चीज़ सीखोगे from everybody. It's going to be the same lesson again and again and again. So it's actually much more easier for you to find friends in a different place than it is for you to find them in the same place that you always hang around. Does that make sense? Now this is the third tip. This is something that I think ties into a bigger picture of having low self-esteem, which is not being able to communicate or not being able to speak up when you don't feel comfortable. And this is coming from somebody who is always the kind of girl who could never say no to somebody, and if somebody rejected me or somebody said no to me, or if I asked somebody for a favor, they said no, I would be the kind of girl to kind of hold it and angst in my heart, like why did this person do this, why did they do this? So that is not really effective, and I believe that the ability to say no comes at a very slow pace. But when it happens, you're going to notice the change that it is going to bring into your personality. You will feel more confident, not only because you're standing up for yourself, but also because you're sort of defying an expectation that people may already have of you. Like I said, images तो हमारी बनी जाती हैं दूसरों के सामने. But what is the way that you can change that image? By putting yourself out there, doing something that nobody thought you would be able to do, and change that perception. This tip is something that I think it's the fifth tip or the fourth tip. I don't know. But this is the tip which is more, what's the word? Snobbish, but confidence comes from the outside in. If you're the kind of person who is never able to really shine, you feel you don't want to catch any attention to yourself, you don't want to maybe wear clothes that you think you shouldn't wear, or I'm not saying you should wear clothes that you don't feel comfortable in, but I think that you catch the drift. If you think that you don't want to put yourself out there, and you're the kind of girl or the kind of boy who is never able to really shine, you feel inconfident when you go outside, you're putting on your pajamas, you're combing your hair, putting it in a bun and going out, that's a good thing. But confidence comes from the outside in. You have to be able to be the kind of girl who can walk into a room with a full face of makeup and feel okay with that. You should be the kind of boy who can walk into a classroom and know that you can command respect, or that you can walk in and nobody's really going to mess with you. And this is something that is really based on social perception, because we can feel a certain way, but people's psychologies align it in a way that they are going to think about you the way that they want to think about you. So I hope that you're getting what I'm getting at. Now, this is, I think, the most important tip that I could ever give you. You are the main character in your life, but in other people's lives, you are the side character. So you must be thinking, what does that have to do with my confidence? When I'm confident, aren't I supposed to shine? Correct, you are supposed to shine. But many people, we have this fear of judgment, like, I'm not going to speak, I'm not going to say this, I'm not going to express this, I'm not going to say this to someone because I don't want to hurt their feelings. The difference is, they don't think about you. Trust me, do you think about that person? You may, which is a flaw. You should focus on yourself. But generally, nobody thinks about others. Nobody is going to think, why did this person wear this? Why did this person do this? Nobody is going to think that way. So I don't know why you would be stressing yourself out thinking, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that, when literally nobody cares. You are the side character in so many people's lives. When you walk by in like a group of people, do you remember all of them? No, you don't. You don't remember them. So why are we so concerned about what we think others are going to think about us when they don't even think about you? You're not even thinking about them. So why are you so concerned? Okay, so tying into what I was saying, your reputation is going to open doors for you. So what I mean by that is, people are not going to mess with a person who they know is going to speak up. मतलब कोई इंसान तुम्हें try नहीं करेगा. No one's going to be sarcastic towards you. No one's going to be like, friends में चलता है. But I think you know what I mean. Like, random people say something that they know is going to get under your skin. No one's going to do that when they know कि तू मुंह पे बोल देगी, तू मुंह पे बोल देगा. Nobody's going to do that because they know that you will speak up for yourself. And that is a character that everybody respects. And I'm not saying you can be everybody's cup of tea, because हम सबको पता है ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. But you will respect yourself, and I think that's what matters. The way others perceive you is how you start to perceive yourself, which is not the truth at all. But unfortunately, we have lived our lives like that, and it does work out like that sometimes. But ये सारे tips थे that I wanted to give people. To basically sum it up, try to meet other people who you don't know. When you walk into a conversation, have an intent. Walk in knowing what you're going to say. So that way, you don't really mess up कि मुझे क्या बोलना है. Another thing which I think I forgot to mention is ज़बान पे थोड़ा लगाम लगाओ, ठीक है? You don't have to mention everything to people. That is a trick that actually shows them people are insecure rather than confident. Because if you're insecure, you're going to mention everything about your life. Your life is like an open book to people. When you're confident, you know where to stand with people. You know where to put them. So I think that's also a very good tip. So basically, fake it till you make it. Be confident, appear confident. Because for some reason in this life, appearances are much better than actually possessing that quality. But that's it for today. If you like the video, then do leave a like. Comment, anything. Suggest ideas. If you think I should speak about something else, you can tell me what I can speak about. You may be able to expect some vlogs in the future, but that we'll see, like, if that's possible for me. Aside from that, if this video is a major flop, then consider it a social experiment that was for you. You were the subject, not me. Okay, I was not the subject. So that's it. Thank you for tuning in if you actually sat and listened to this, and thank you so much. Bye.